Hello people, welcome back to my channel. For today's video is going to be a tutorial, and in this
projecting a sales tax rate in Crenshaw with a different looking briefing.
Taking so much hope even before this crisis into our community. And I want to begin by thanking Pastor Frederick Price Jr. and of course, the City of Angels is shown. We transported them to our hospitals to save their lives. They have truly been angels in the City of Angels. And thank you for being here tonight. We also have Cynthia Davis with us as well, who's an assistant professor and program director at the College of Medicine and College of Science and Health at Charles R. Drew University. In a few moments, I'll turn it over to her to share a few words about the importance of testing and tell you a little bit more about how she's contributed for years to the health of all communities here in Los Angeles. And Sean Penn, who is the founder of Community Organized Relief Effort, or CORE, a group that we've seen around the world, but now it's helping right here in Los Angeles. Cheers, Sean, for being here as well. Thank you. You see, we're going to get through this because we have the power of partnership. We see a team in communities across Los Angeles that are coming together to meet the challenge of this day. But before we get into some of that, let me just get to what I do every night, the data that you need to know. Today in our county, we added 399 new confirmed positive COVID-19 cases, bringing our total number of confirmed cases to 10,854. This was a 3% increase since yesterday. For comparison, the past 7 days have seen an average daily increase of 433 new cases. While that 3% might sound good, and it certainly is the record of all of your staying at home and listening to what we do. The curve is bending. It doesn't mean that we're not adding cases. And deaths, of course, are a lagging indicator. As I mentioned last week, this coming weeks will be the worst weeks we face, and that certainly is bearing out. This is a 13% increase. That is brought the total number of fallen in Los Angeles to 455, and the third day in a row, unfortunately, we've seen record deaths. For comparison, the past 7 days, we've seen an average daily increase of 34 new deaths, and a double in every 6 days. And deaths aren't statistics, they are stories, they are numbers, they are lives. And so everybody who's out there still we're tracking hospital bed inventory, and that stays strong here in the county. Our general emergency hospitals have today 1,558 available beds. Of those, 1,309 are acute care beds, and 249 are ICU beds. And we have an inventory of more than 1,129 to be exact. Some of the fire department and everybody who stepped up, and the county, Dr. Kazan, and everybody else who now joined. It's something we never did before, but it's something we can be proud of, because I know it's saving lives. On Friday, March 20th, we started one drive-through location in Legion Park. 3 days later, we opened 4 sites to the public. This testing site at Crenshaw Christian was among the very first, and to date has tested almost 10,000 people. That means this site has tested more than many states in America. Across the county, we're now up to 30 testing sites, including 10 within the city limits and 20 in other cities and unincorporated areas of the county, with a capacity now to test 11,000 people per day. By the end of today, we look to test approximately 61,000 Angelinos across all of these sites. That's one day early on the goal that we set. And let me put that in perspective. The number of tests that we did yesterday was a third of the entire state of California's total. And we have the capacity today to do more than half the tests that California did in the last 24 hours. That's something Los Angeles and Southern California can be very proud of. Sites were just added at the Forum in Inglewood and Charles Drew University in Willowbrook this afternoon. Oral swab tests that are administered at the city and county testing sites. What's great about them is they don't require nurses who are already stretched thin in our hospitals to administer them. That keeps them on the front lines at hospitals where they are needed most. And I say this every night.
The mosquito? He's there. I've been moving things around, he's there. He's still hanging on. So as it moves.
It is important that residents throughout the city and county of Los Angeles, and especially South Los Angeles, know your status by taking a COVID-19 test as soon as possible. The test is a simple oral swab, which is simple. Just like with HIV infection, you want to use what is called universal precautions, which means you treat everyone as if they were infected with COVID-19.
Let's head back to my place.
Neither of you are getting me alone.
thank you so much for watching this video. I have completed the final look. This is the complete final look. It is gold shimmer with red. This is indeed what I recreated today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I will be putting all the palettes that I used today for this video. I will link them in the bottom below, and that way you guys can go shop for those palettes. Yeah, so go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you haven't done it yet. I'm there, totally there. So yeah, I post my videos there and my looks as well. So hopefully I will catch you on the next video that I have. For the next video, it's gonna be like a type of U-Haul thing. So definitely be I'm ready for that. Put your post notifications up because you're gonna need it. And yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys have a good one, and I will catch you in my next one.